Hi, people. Moino Ravenberg here again, as always, and as usual. I just wanted to introduce people that are unaware of it of a really handy website called passportindex.org. As you can tell, I'm on the home screen right now. This website is really, really convenient, especially for people that want to travel globally and they simply want a website or an institution to lay everything out for them to make the whole process as convenient and as overviewable as possible. And you can literally, as the header of the website says, explore the world of passports. You can find everything about your passport. For example, if you live in the United States, you're a US citizen, then you can simply look it up here the way I'm doing right now based on lettering, etc. And you'll see everything in terms of data statistics. The US, for example, if you have a US passport, the current mobility score is 148. Countries that you can visit visa free are 96. The passport power rank is 5. The individual power rank is 24, and the world search is 74. And here you have a map with an overview. Green, for example, means visa free. Blue, for example, means an e-visa on arrival. Yellow, I can't put my finger on what that means. And red, in generally speaking, means either a ban or a visa required. You can see everything here. Yellow here, for example, if you exclude all the other colors and you only select yellow, then you can see for yourself. See, yellow stands for either pre-enrollment or ETA. Don't know exactly what ETA stands for, or 90 days. I think you need to request a visa and you'll be given an e-visa. The beauty of this app is that you can select and deselect everything, so you get a proper overview. Here, for example, if you only select the color green, you'll see all the countries that the US has access to if you're a US citizen, where you can go without any fuss. You don't have to request a visa, you don't have to do anything. And you can easily search up here if you're looking for a specific country. For example, I'm an American. I want to see what the options are for going to Brazil. And you'll see it here. Boom, there you go. So if you're a US citizen, you can go visa free to Brazil for 3 months. And you can stay there for 3 months, of course. And it just goes on and on and on. Okay, anything you want to find. You can even make comparisons here. For example, you want to compare your US passport to another country's passport. For example, Canada. You simply look up Canada's passport and there you go. You have a comparison and you can choose whether you only want to see differences. For example, if you only want to see differences, you click on the black and white circle in the top left corner here and you'll see only the differences, literally only the differences, show differences only. See, so you'll only see the differences between the two, which country, what the differences are. For example, if you want to, for example, go to Belarus, so White Russia. If you're an American, then you require a visa. Whereas if you're a Canadian, then you get access visa free for 30 days. Another example, for example, is India. If you have a US passport, you are eligible for an e-visa, or you get handed an e-visa on arrival and you can stay there visa with your e-visa for a month. Whereas if you have a Canadian passport, you need to apply in advance for an e-visa, an electronic visa. And it just goes on and on and on. Okay, the website is really handy. I strongly suggest that you check it out, especially if you, like I mentioned earlier, if you're really fond of traveling internationally and you want to keep your eye on how much your passport is worth in terms of traveling, and so on and so forth. The website is also available in different languages. If you check out the bottom, it's available in French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, and I think that's either an Asian language, either Korean or Chinese or something like that. In any case, you can see it for yourself here. That's it. I strongly suggest that you check it out. You can find the link to the website in the description. Another thing is also that they have a nice handy application that you can find in the Play Store on your mobile phone, and it's called Passport Index, and you can see it here. It's basically a simplified version of the website. You can simply select your passport here. For example, if I am from China and I want to see what requirements need to be met if I want to go to Australia, for example, and there you go, you require an e-visa. So if I'm Chinese and I want to go to Australia, I see that I want to visit Australia, I see that I need an e-visa. If I'm Chinese and I want to go to Belgium, See, a visa required. If I'm Chinese again and I want to go to Bulgaria, visa required. It just goes on. Congo, visa required. If I want to, for example, go to South Korea, you can simply look it up here, alphabetically ordered, South Korea. Then there you go, visa required. Okay, you can even switch it up, reverse it. And if you're from South Korea and you want to go to China, you need a visa. If you want to go to Barbados, you're from South Korea, you can go visa free for 3 months, and it just goes on and on and on. The app is also handy to use, but it's not as detailed as the website for obvious reasons. So that's all, guys. Again, check out the link in the description below for the link that leads to the website. Bye bye.